Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we take an order of a spherical EPS mold from our Ecuadorian client as an example. Because the drawings are incomplete, we need to confirm with the client 3 places to ensure that our produced EPS mold can be accurately installed on the client's EPS shape molding machine. First, the diameter of the locking spigot. Taking the picture in the video as an example, our commonly used locking spigot diameters are 30mm or 40mm. So we need to confirm the diameter of the locking spigot currently used by the customer to drill the correct hole diameter. Second, the design of the mold corner. Taking the video as an example, the corner design of this EPS 3-piece mold drawing is relatively simple. Some data is missing, so we currently only reserve the position of the screw hole and need the customer to confirm before proceeding with subsequent processing. If the drawings are complete, there will be no need for secondary confirmation. Third, as an example in the video, the length of the mold installed on the EPS shape molding machine in the video is 107.5 cm. It requested to confirm. It can be inserted into the movable mold steam chamber because this data is missing as well. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.